Hello guys, I am Abdelkarim Armain, your coach and trainer in stocks and in cryptocurrencies. Now, for today, I just analyze Bitcoin because it is the biggest in cryptocurrencies as a market, and with stock market, I take an index like Dow Jones. I always use that, and I will try to show you something that happened this week and what we'll see maybe next week. Okay, since today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday, we will try to see. Please check with me this one. Okay, as you can see, Bitcoin lost 38.64%. Now, when I say that, be aware that here it says only 20 minus 20.54 because it begins from the beginning here. Okay, it begins from the beginning here of the month till today. Okay, so from the beginning here to here, it's 1 month. This is 1 month here. Okay, so I took 1 month. But for me, I took the high of 69,000. This is the highest for this month and this year. $69,000 in 10 November 2021. So this is the highest in this month and in the year and in the whole life of Bitcoin. Now from this 69, it goes down. Okay, it goes down to reach a low of 42,333 in 3rd of December 2021. Okay, so if you calculate 69,000 and 42,333, you will find that Bitcoin has lost 38.64%, which is a big thing. Now here, as you may see, that Bitcoin is very volatile. It's not like the same like the other markets, like stock market. Okay, so what do you expect? We will never know, because with this new cases in coronavirus, the new variant that we have now, okay, the Bitcoin can lose more, okay, and it can go where it goes. So there is no limit. It means there is no threshold that you can expect. You will never know, because it is very easy to manipulate Bitcoin. That's why it lost 38% in this 3 weeks. Okay, in 3 weeks from here, as you can see, from 69, 10 November, okay, to now. So the most important thing, look at this 42,333, and if Bitcoin will collapse from this low here. Okay, now it might go back. Okay, it may go back, and we have a new big trend, but we will never know. Okay, but always expect both ways. Do not say that Bitcoin will not go to 10,000 or 3,000 or 1,000. You will never know. Okay, and you know, when things are going bad, short sellers, as you know, who are trader, they sell short Bitcoin and it goes down as it is. Okay, so this is the first thing I want to tell you guys about Bitcoin, and understand that when there are bad news or there is a panic in the market, a lot of people, they sell. But the major thing that happens is short selling. Short selling are done by traders. Instead of buying, they sell Bitcoin, and Bitcoin will be going down. Now, because it's a big people who are selling short. Now, these people that are selling short are what we call day traders. They don't care about the direction of the market. If something is collapsing, they sell short. Now, who is behind? The big guys. No one knows who are they. But day traders, they follow. Okay? Someone is selling short, very, very big, billions of dollars. Okay? When day traders, they see that Bitcoin is falling or collapsing, they go and they help because they get money. Because they see that. Now, if you see now the stock market, as you can see it now the Dow lost only 6.92 because the Dow is very, very heavy. Okay, it's because the stock market, we have investors. Okay, and those investors, they don't sell very, very well like in cryptocurrencies or so it's more stable. Now here we find that the Dow Jones was $365.64. Now I will just show you. This is the high here. Okay, in 8 November 2021. 8 November. Now in 1st December, it goes here. This is the lowest on Wednesday. This is Friday. So what do you expect? Either the market comes back very, very strong, and this is just because of the news, okay? Or it will collapse, okay? It will collapse down, and Dow Jones will lose more and more and more. Okay, so this is the situation for Friday, because Saturday and Sunday the stock market doesn't work. So tomorrow will be decisive. Either we see something red going down, or something very, very green, and the market comes back. Okay, so what about you? Now, in general, if you are investors, you don't worry a lot, because investing, it's about a long term. 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. This is investing. Okay, and you are investing and you are looking for companies. What do? Not the market. The market goes up, goes down. As you can see, Dow Jones each year is, sometimes it's going up, sometimes it's going down. Sometimes we have a crash, like 2020. We have seen the crash, and you can understand that in 2020 we have the big crash. If we take monthly, okay, so if we can make it, I will show you if it comes. Okay, yeah, it's very good. Okay, now check the chart. Now this is a monthly by month, in order to show you what did happen here. This in February and March 2020, when we have the coronavirus biggest cases, and it was so bad in February and in March, because we got the first case in January 27, 2020. Okay, so you can remember President Trump has announced the first case of coronavirus coming to America in 27 January. Now, in February and March, the market collapsed. And then after that, it was so good until now. Okay? So as you can see, there is a big trend. There is no problem with that. Even the cryptocurrencies have done so good in 2021, especially in 2021. Okay? So it is doing good. Now, does it do the same right now? Okay? Do we expect that the market go down like here in 1 month or two? This we will never know. Okay? Until we see it. So, as you might know, I am not a fan to predict things. I don't care. I don't predict anything. Now, I react to what's going on in the market. If it is falling, you can use options. You can use inverse ETFs. And this I have training about that, and I showed to the guys last week and the other week how to do it. And you can use options also. I showed my subscribers for options. All these depends on tomorrow, okay, or the whole week. But understand that the stock market, it goes so quick down and so quick up again, okay. So it's not something that lasts 10 years or 5 years. It can go like in February and March, 1 month, it's going down, then it stops. Okay, so you should be quick. And or the last thing I will tell you guys, if you see a troubled market and you are scared of the market because you will lose a lot of money, so the best thing is to sell everything and you go on cash. You just wait and see what's going on, because sometimes if you hold too much, some stocks or cryptocurrencies, they will lose a lot. It's not you lose 5% or 10%. Now the market, Bitcoin, I have just showed you Bitcoin, 38%. It means nearly 40%. And do you think that it will stop at that 38%? No, it can go to 40, 50, 45, 50, 60, 70. It can go where it can go. Who will stop it? Okay? Except when it goes so cheap and other people, they see it's an opportunity to buy, and at that time it stops. And when it stops, it's going up because all the people will buy, and those short sellers, they stop selling short and they go in the opposite, and they buy with the crowd. Now when they buy with the crowd, okay, first they exit their shorts, not to have the what we call short squeeze, and they will be with going long, and then you can make money also. Understand that day traders, they don't care about the direction of the market, not like an investor. Or if you are buying to that the price will go up, so you are always going in one direction, the other direction will hurt you. But if you are a day trader, it's the opposite. If it is going down, you sell short, okay? And if it's going up, very good, you buy long, okay? So thank you very much, guys, for watching. So we will be watching next week what will happen, and you should take care of your money. Make very good decisions this week, because it could be catastrophic if you don't do something. If you own, for example, Bitcoin, it has already lost 38%. You have lost it. Okay? What if it continues to go down to reach 10,000 or 5,000 or 1,000? Understand that Bitcoin was 19,000 before, and it goes to 3,000. Okay? And then it comes back. But no one knows what will happen to the future. Okay? People, they say just buy and it will be $1 million or $2 million or $3 million. You know, these people, they mine for Bitcoin, they sell it, they get dollars. These dollars, they are buying houses, buying businesses. They are rich now. They don't care about this Bitcoin. They just mine. And they sell you something, a digital asset, but this asset can change and you can lose anything. You can lose everything. But them, they have already become rich from Bitcoin and the other tokens and cryptocurrencies. They have already been, maybe some are billionaires right now. They don't care about this Bitcoin, but they mine it because it's money. Okay, they are creating money for themselves, but they need the dollar. Or if someone is in China, he needs the yen. If he's in France or Europe, they need the euro. Okay? They need the government money because it's real. Now Bitcoin is just virtual. If it disappears from the market, let's say for example, the whole world, governments, I have made a video before about this. What if the whole governments in the whole world, they ban Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies? Now these markets will disappear. All these billions that you see in dollars, they will disappear because anyone who has this thing, okay, even he hides it, but it has no value because Bitcoin will be zero. Even if you have 1 million of this Bitcoin, it is worthless. But that's why those people who create Bitcoin, Ethereum and the other, they have already been billionaires and millionaires. It means they have already made money and in dollars, and then they buy real assets. They buy land, buildings, companies. They buy wealth that it is real, and they leave you with the virtual world that in the future you will never know where it goes, these things. So be careful of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. You try to invest, you try to trade, you do whatever you like, but understand that always there is a danger, and who loses his money is the people. Okay, understand that. Even in the stock market, they take our money, we invest, but even if the company loses money, so the guys who own the company, they can sell it, and they take their money from the company and they leave the other without anything. It is wiped out. It doesn't exist. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. We look forward for the next week and hope it will be good, and hope it will not be red. Okay, thank you very much.